Meaning of familiarity.
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 Familiarity. Familiarity refers to the state of being well acquainted with something or someone. It is the feeling of recognition and knowledge that comes from repeated exposure to a particular thing or individual. Familiarity can arise from various sources, such as personal experience, cultural background, or social interaction. It can lead to a sense of comfort and ease, as well as a tendency towards routine and predictability. At the same time, familiarity can also breed contempt or a lack of curiosity, making it important to balance familiarity with novelty and exploration.